Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Swan Institute channel. Coming to myself, I am Mahesh Achari, registered with NSE, National Stock Exchange. You can find here my registration certificate as well. And you can find in Google as well by typing Swan Institute, and you can follow in Facebook as well by typing Swan SIFM. Along with, you can find in Jesdale as well. And Zerodha. No need to introduction to this name. It's a Zerodha, number one stockbroker in India. And if you don't have any Zerodha Demat account, you can simply go to the description, click on the description link and open the new Demat account right now. And coming to Zerodha, Zerodha got many awards from the government of India along with NSE and BSE. And if you observe here, Zerodha is a number one broker in terms of active clients. You can find here 26.3 lakhs of customers are active traded in Zerodha right now. So that's the issue. That is a matter about the Zerodha. Zerodha is a number one company. You can find in description link to open Demat account. And coming to today's topic, that is CDSL TPIN registration. So what is the CDCL? CDCL is a Central Depository Services Limited. It is a depository party in India. Along with NSDL also is there, National Security Depository Limited. Both depository parties are registered with the government of India. So currently in India there is only two depository parties, that is NSDL and CDSL. We know that. So currently Zerodha is tied up with the CDSL depository party, and it has a registered with the government of India as well. So when it comes to benefits of CDCL TPIN makes a Demat transaction safer by eliminating the need for POA for the Demat account, that is POA, power of attorney. TPIN gives better control over authorizing the transaction in a Demat account, and a TPIN is required for every Demat withdrawal transaction if you don't have any POAs to the broker. And CDCL manages the TPIN. This means brokers cannot manipulate or misuse it if you are using the CDCL TPIN. It makes the Demat account opening process completely paperless, so you can open Demat account through online only. So earlier POA was the only paper form to be filled and signed by client, and he has to open the Demat account. And what is CDSL TPIN and how to generate the TPIN? Now we are going to explaining this live video. Let's start, friends. And now I opened the Zerodha Demat account interface. You can find here my holdings as well. There is a few stocks are trading right now. Jubilant. I am going with the Jubilant one. I am having only one stock, Jubilant Food, currently trading at 2615 2620 level. You can find here. So let's try with the Jubilant Food. I have a CNC share, that is holding. I am holding this share from the past 1 week. So you can check here everything. Yes, this is about this Jubilant Food. So I am going to try to sell. Okay, I click on the sell, and you can find here that if you want to exit with the market price, you can select the market. Otherwise you can place a limit price. If you want to place in limit price, click on the limit and you can select whatever desired price you want to exit. So I am placing here 2620, something like that. Okay, otherwise I will go with the market price. So I am going to sell with the market. So place on the market and you are going to sell. See, you got some authorization message, that is you have to authorize the stock at CDCL. So you have to authorize initially. So these type of problems are facing by the investors. So what to do means you have to click on the continue. It will open a pop-up window, that is authorization sell transaction, which is as per new regulation. Selling shares from your Demat account requires specific instruments and the quantities you wish to sell be authorized with your CDCL TPIN. So you have to register with the CDCL TPIN. It is stating that. So let's move on to this process. You have to click on that continue to CDCL registration. After that, you are getting one another window, that is it's asking that enter the T pin. So where do I get this pin? Initially every investor is facing the same issue, that I don't know that T pin, how to register and all. So that is a question mark. So we will not get any T pin till now. So we are moving to generating the CDSL T pin. Here we are going to generate the CDSL T pin right now, and open the Google page. Directly you can search as a CDSL T pin, otherwise CDSL T pin generation. So you will get a one link, that is a generate T pin CDSL. First link, have to click on the first link, and it will open a pop-up window. This is asking that enter the BOID and the PAN number. So where do I get the BOID? In the sense, you can open your Demat account. Go to the Kite, Zerodha Kite. Yes. Go to the profile page, which is the main page, that is profile. So you can click on the profile. You will find here Demat BO, that is starting from 120816 something. That is a BO ID, and PAN card number also you can find there in above the Demat BO. So both are there. So you know that your PAN card number. So if you not able to write down the paper, again you have to enter over there that Google page. So better you can click on the detailed profile which is showing above. Click on the detailed profile. It will open you another window, and let's find that view all programs, and you can view all categories. Click on that, you can find the Demat. Click on the Demat, you can find the Demat ID, same which is earlier we saw that, right? So 1208. So you can find here, you just click on that, you can hold and click and hold that number. It will ask you that copy. Yes, you can find that. You can click on that copy that ID and go to the Google page. You can paste this BOID here. Simple, friends. And coming to PAN, you know, right? When your Demat account, while opening the Demat account, you submitted your PAN card ID. So you have to enter the PAN. After entering the PAN, click on the next. It will ask you that OTP, so which is the registered mobile number to Demat account. That mobile number will get the OTP, and along with the mail as well. Have to enter the OTP here. So I am going to enter here the OTP which I am receiving from CDSL registration. Click on the next. Yes, completion. Your TPIN is generated successfully and has been sent to your registered mobile number. You can remember this TPIN, friends. You have to enter this OTP while selling the CNC shares, right? So you have to remember this OTP. And we are moving to the Kite. So here it is. Now we are going to attempt one more time to exit my shares. So let's come to my holding page. Here you can find my shares, already explained. Jubilant Food, I am having one share. So I am going to attempt the sell. Click on the sell. You can authorization. Again it is asking that authorization. So you have to authorize that. You can click on the continue. Now it is asking that continue to CDSL. Yes, I am continue with the CDSL because we have OTP, right? So now it is asking that CDSL TPIN. So which is we received to your mobile number, right? So we have to enter the CDSL TPIN over here. Click on that OTP pin and verify. Done. You can now execute your sell orders. So that is a TPIN generation already completed and TPIN execution also completed. Now we are going to experiment this on our selling shares. So now we are going to sell our Jubilant Food share right now. So I am going to place my limit order now initially. So currently it's trading around 2620, but I am placing the 2650. You can check here in order book. In pending order is showing that yes, I am able to place my selling orders right now because I have already completed, right, CDSL registration. So now I am going to exit my Jubilant Food one quantity here. So I click on that sell, and if you want you can click on the market price. Yes, it is completed. Yes, done. So now I can able to exit my positions, which is I am having CNC shares or holding shares. You can find here my quantity is 0, and go to the executed orders. It's showing that completed Jubilant Food sell order was completed. So now I can able to sell my holding shares or CNC shares in Zerodha with the help of completion of CDSL TPIN. So that is the process, friends. You can find here my investment amount also came to 3,700. Initially it is around 6,500 something else. This is the process, friends, to avoid the problems regarding CDSL TPIN. And you can look at here what is power of attorney, POA. So you can find the what is the POA. It's a power of attorney document that gives us the authorization to debit your shares from your demat account whenever you want to sell your shares from your holdings. So it's a if you have not submitted the POA at the time of account opening, you have to create the online, that is CDSL TPIN registration, which is we discussed earlier, right? So that is the CDSL registration. And how do I generate the CDSL TPIN required to authorize my CNC cell shares, which is actually it CDSL TPIN registration was came to exist in India, that is from June 1st 2020. So you have to register with your CDSL TPIN because SEBI has mandated this CDSL TPIN registration. And how do I generate the CDSL TPIN required to authorize my CNC cell transaction? So CDSL has made a change in their EDAS process, which will be applicable from June 1st 2020, which is having, if you are having transaction amount of 1 crore rupees or less than 1 crore rupees only, you can able to enter that CDSL TPIN and you can exit from your cell, exit your CNC shares. If you are having more than 1 crore rupee of transaction, so you are not able to exit your positions by using this CDSL TPIN. You have to provide the POA, power of attorney, while the account opening form. And you can find here that POA hard copy it is. You can find here power of attorney application. This is first page. It's about the POA rules and regulations. No need to sign here. You can come to the second page, hard copy. That is the first blank is a first holder signature. If you are opened a partnership demat account, so you have to provide the second holder of signature in second box. Along with third page, you have to enter the signatures of if you are individual account holder, you can signature only in first box. If you are a partnership demat account holder, you have to signature sign on both boxes by the first holder and second holder, and courier to head office, that is Bangalore. This is about the CDSL TPIN, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, friends, and need your support by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget that for more updates.